Australia's golden era could soon be over. For decades, we've managed to escape the worst of several global economic downturns thanks to our abundance of resources. But now, our biggest gravy train of all is going bust. Iron ore prices have jumped nearly tenfold since the 1990s, with China buying the substance at an insatiable rate to fuel its growth. Australia is the world's largest exporter of iron ore. Over the years, this has given us a smoother ride through the ups and downs of a global economy, with key sectors funded by billions of tax dollars coming in every year. But the price of iron ore has dropped by about 35% since the start of the year. Already it has fallen below $100 per metric ton. To put that number into perspective, iron ore reached an all-time high of almost $220 set in 2021. That's about a 55% drop. So why are iron ore prices falling? A lot of it has to do with China's weakening economy. Now, it's not the first time China has been hit by economic downturns. In previous years, they would soften the blow by going hard on construction, but that's no longer the case. China's top steelmaking firm, Baowu, recently admitted it would not be receiving any significant stimulus package from the Chinese government. Its chairman warned that the winter of steel demand would be longer, colder, and more difficult than we expected. This includes Australia. Back in April, Treasurer Jim Chalmers warned that the uncertainty of iron ore's future could produce a $9 billion black hole in the national budget over the next 4 years. He now says that warning has come true.
The big fall we've seen in iron ore prices are another reminder that we aren't immune from global economic volatility.
And the problem isn't just China's economy. Experts say the whole steel industry is shifting in response to environmental concerns, and Australia needs to keep up. Think about it. Digging iron ore, shipping iron ore, refining pig iron, turning that pig iron into steel. It's a dirty process responsible for over 10% of the world's carbon dioxide emissions. While simply digging and shifting has worked well for us over the past few decades, Australia is now facing growing international competition from the likes of Brazil, the Middle East and Africa, who are offering greener iron ore alternatives, while China itself is looking to source more of its internal supply from recycling. It's all part of the global economic transformation from fossil fuel-based economies like ours to zero-carbon leading ones. Steelmakers around the world are seeking new ways to process iron ore, but new technology, like electric arc furnaces, need either ultra-high quality iron ore or recycled metals, and Australia offers neither. The Reserve Bank says it is watching the situation closely, particularly considering our dependence on China.
They still have a very big drag from the problems in their real estate sector there, and China is really important for us, in particular for the prices of the commodities that we export, in particular iron ore.
But in the meantime, everyday Aussies may need to brace for even more financial pain.